In this video, we're going to try and find dy by dx of this equation evaluated at x equals 1 and y equals 2. So what that means is if you punch this into desmos.com, you would get this graph. So punch in the equation, and then at 1, 2, which is that blue dot there, we've got to work out the gradient at that dot. So to do this, you would find you would try and find dy by dx. So when you differentiate y, it would be 1, and then because y contains x, you've got to stick dy by dx in there. So that would be dx, and there's a reason as to why that's the case. Why you would stick this dy by dx in there. We've done this many times, so I'm expecting you to know that. So let's start again. Differentiate this as normal, so that would be 1. But because y contains x, you need to stick dy by dx. So that would be dy by dx. And then differentiate this as normal. So the 2 comes down. The y stays the same. The power gets minus by 1. So that would be that. But then y contains x. So you need to stick dy by dx. Now differentiate this. So the power comes down. Merge it with the 2. That would be 6. The x stays the same. The power gets minus by 1. X does not contain y, so we don't need to stick dy by dx. Here, y is a function of x, so you need to stick dy by dx. But here, there is no y, so you just leave it as it is. Now differentiate this block. This is a number, so when you differentiate it, it will be 0. So we want to get dy by dx on its own. So this block here contains dy by dx. This block here contains dy by dx. This one doesn't. So take away, somehow isolate dy by dx. There are many ways of doing this. I'm going to move this across. So I'm going to add this and then take away this block. So that would be. So I'm going to add this block 2y dy by dx, and then I'm going to take away this block. So that will be. Take away dy by dx. We want to get dy by dx on its own. So factor out the dy by dx. So that would be dy by dx, bracket 2y, and then take away 1. Because look, this times this will give you this whole thing. Dy by dx times negative 1 will give you negative dy by dx. So leave this alone. So now isolate dy by dx. So hang on. So here you've got one block, and you've got another block times another block. In your mind, divide both sides by this block here. So this will be 6x squared divided by 2y minus 1 equals dy by dx is on its own. So what that means is we now know the gradients, but the thing is we need to know the x location of the dot, and we need to know the y location. Well, the x location is here, is that 1. The y location is 2. So we would put this into the y, this into the x. So that would then give us. So I'll put 1 into the x. 1 squared times 6 would be 6, and then put a 2 into the y, so that will be 4, take away 1, which will be 3. This is the number, that equals dy by dx, evaluated at 1, 2. So now 6 divided by this would be 2. So the final answer is 2, okay?